Hi, boys and girls. Today I would like you to try and play a game called Factorization. This is the website and it will give you a number. If you don't want that number, you can always choose a new one. See, as you can click. Okay, I'm going to choose kind of a hard one. This is a good one. So, as soon as you find a number, so try every number, I just kind of was flicking through there, it's going to tell you how many different rectangles you can make or how many factors the number 24 has. So there's 4 spots, which means that there's 4 different rectangles I can make that would have the area 24. Now, you might know right away, you might see 24 and be able to think, you know what, 2 times 12 equals 24. And you can put it in that way. Or 1 times 24, and it will create the rectangle for you. Or you can create the rectangle and figure out the area, and it will put in the factor for you, or you will be able to put it in after you kind of play around with it. So if I start here, so this has an area of 1, 2, 3. I'm just kind of playing around here, trying to see if I can just figure out, oh, hey, I just got 24. All right, I just got 24. Now I can put in another factor of 24, or the 2 dimensions to get 24. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 across. 6 times what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 times 4. Okay, awesome. Got one more rectangle to figure out. Again, I could play around until I somehow hit 24, or I could kind of do it bit by bit. Well, I'm not going to do it this way because I already have 1 times 24. But let's see, 8, boom, 8 times 3. 8 times 3, and I got all the rectangles. So give it a try.